Good morning, guys. Welcome back. So, yes, I'm quickly going to fix my backyard job that I did here. That I connected the heater valve or taken out the heater valve last time. So, we bought a new heater valve. So, yeah, it's very cheap at Volkswagen. So yes, it was under $100. So yes, I'm quickly going to fit a new valve and show you guys. The quality on these things, it feels like cheap plastic. So yeah, we'll see how long it lasts. But yeah, don't have high hopes for all the heat cycles and so on. So yes. So and like you see, it has directions also, so yeah. And I installed the heater valve. It's open now at the moment. I filled up with antifreeze again, so no leaks. So yes. I see the next leak, it's on the temperature housing. So yeah, like you can see there's antifreeze there. So yeah, it's one of the other leaks that we also must fix. So yeah, this one it's drivable. I'm quickly going on mine, going to put a new Dizzy distributor and things on to see if I can start it. I will update you guys very soon on that one. And we are back in mine. So yeah, like you guys can see, it's running now. So yes, I replaced the distributor and new 4 blocks. But yeah, it's still not 100%, but it's running now. So yes, what I'm going to do, it's in need of a clean. So yeah, I'm going to clean the car. Like you guys can see, it's very full of it because it's been standing for almost a month now. So yes, let me start cleaning up and then I will get back to you guys. So I adjust the carb and the timing again and so on. So yes, like you guys can see, brand new, but yeah, and I replaced all 4 spark plugs also. Yeah, it's running, but yeah, hey, this things. So yes, I'm going to put a mic near the exhaust, so yes, you guys can hear. So yeah, uh, there we go. This one is also washed and clean outside. And this one, it's also washed clean, yeah, vacuum. So yeah. See, it's clean for now. So yeah, until next time, thanks. Before I forget, yes, I connected the switch also. It's my lights now, my fan, and this one it's my spotlight. Yes, and this light I've put it on the alternator, but I must get a stronger light because it struggled to switch on the alternator to charge. And then here's my router switch. Yeah, I will maybe drill, maybe I will cut something and rearrange something here, that it's closed and everything neat and so on. Yeah. So yeah, yes. For now, it's running. It starts. So happy days.